Alright, well, your boy's driving home. Didn't get the rest of the workout, but to be honest, I called it pretty short today. And just accountability, your boy's just like you. Ain't no different, maybe just slightly a little bit bigger, but I'm no different than nobody else. But yeah, I fucked up my meals today. I didn't get them all in. Just life's been super fucking crazy, and I don't want to use that as a cop-out or an excuse. I can do better, and that's period, point blank. There's no point in fucking, oh, well, I'm busy, I work these jobs and try to run these 2 businesses on the side and all this bullshit. I mean, really all it comes down to is if you did it or you didn't, you know, and results rely on that. It's either if you did do it or you didn't do it, and that's in business, that's in life, that's in your relationships, it's in everything, as if you did it or you didn't. That's where the results that you want are at, and the little shortcuts that you're looking for, it's just in the work that you're running away from. So just a little accountability for your boy there that I wanted to share with you guys. But just know, yeah, I struggle on the daily. I want to throw in the towel a lot sometimes, but the biggest thing that's helped me is just get my fitness dialed back in, my meals dialed back in, becoming a fucking beast, living fucking heavy ass weight again. That's been nice. But I also like recentered my focus on what do I really want in life. And man, it's been magical. I want fucking financial success, happiness, ultimately though, freedom and health. Like, I really do just want to be able to say, fuck it, I want to go to Greece for a month and no one can tell me that I can't. Shit like that, you know, and I know it's going to be a long, hard road to get there, but I know it can come, and I think nowadays it can come a lot faster than it used to. But anyway, that's my rant. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You few people that are watching this shit, serious, y'all real ones, I appreciate you. Don't forget to shop Ambition Nutrition. I'll put the link in the bio or in the description, but hit that up, get your suppies, use your boy code Brenan10, get you 10% off. And yeah, just know we ship nationwide. We got all the goodies: Raw Revive, Axe and Sledge, Frontline Frontiers on the carnitine, Elevate Cream of Rice, Super HD, we got that one too. So we just got a lot of good stuff working, a lot of good stuff coming up. Just got to keep myself accountable, keep the team accountable, and we just keep fucking pressing forward, and that's all there is to that. So love you guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. It's like your boy ain't done. Sound will never get motherfucking old. All right, now good night.